What is going on, YouTube? Jeff Weibel here, back with another property tour video. This one, we're in London, Ontario today. We got a couple of units to show you here, and this one's obviously completely gutted. And in the corporation, we have 280 units plus, so there's always renovations on the go. This one is one today, but there's obviously maybe 10 to 15 on the go at all times. So it's nice. We can see this one right down to the studs, and we can determine that, no molds behind there. Whatever happened in this unit, I can't 100% recall if this was a fire unit or however we got this, but it's nice to see that we got it blank here and we're able to fix it up. And this is just kind of what it'll eventually turn out to be in the future. So you can see here, it's just the bones of the property. I love those 3-story walk-ups kind of buildings. There's not much to them. There's a boiler. They've been there for a long time. At this point, most of them are built probably in like the 70s, maybe late 60s. So they've been standing there for a long time. So really all you gotta do is refurbish the insides and turn it into something like this. And yeah, they look so great, and it's nice to be able to do this. Now obviously we can't do this without the help of our private lenders, and in the month of December, I was able to raise $1.2 million in private lending funds in order to renovate all these, because we have so many on the go, and then we're able to do the BRRRR method and refinance. And obviously paying interest rates to our private lenders is advantageous to us because it increases the value of the property. And check out these other videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!